Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video we are going to create this part model in SolidWorks. Now let's enter into here new part and let's say okay. Now to create this part modeling, so as you can see we are having here top view, under that we are having here front view, and if you make exactly cut section with reference to this horizontal line and with this inclined line, we are able to get this shape. Now for this, from front view we can't start. Why? Because so in top view we are having here curvatures, so we need to start here with curvature profile. For that, just we'll enter into sketch on top plane. Now one construction circle we want for reference with a diameter of 70. So let's create one circle here with a diameter of 70. It should be for construction. Just we can use here construction geometry. Then exactly on this horizontal axis we are having one circle which is having outer circle radius of 6. It should be exactly on this construction circle. So we need one circle exactly with reference to horizontal. At this point we need one circle. Dimension for this we are having radius of 6. Mouse right click, display as radius. We need radius of 6 here. Then from here we are having one inclined line. Same line we need downside also. So to make mirror, let me create one construction horizontal infinite length with reference to this origin point like this. Let me create one inclined line like this. Then we need relation between line to circle. We need here tangency. Same line we need opposite to that. We can make it mirror with reference to this horizontal line. Then just by using trim entitles, we can trim these unwanted elements here. Let me trim all these unwanted elements like this. Then to make it fully defined, we are having angle between line to line 22 degrees. So this line to this line, we need inclination of 22 degrees. Let me adjust this properly. Then for this point also we need here tangency relation like this. Just we can extend like this. Now this same shape total we need here 3. In such cases, in circular motion directly we can go for circular sketch pattern. Center point is this. Then entitles to pattern are this line, again this curvature and this line. Total instances we need only 3 here, and let's say just we can drag this extra. Later we can go for trim and we can trim this. Now while making circular pattern, this center point will be not adjusted properly. So this point we need on this curvature. Just we can apply relation between these two. We need here coincident. Same repeat the step here also. For this both we need here coincident. Then just we can go for trim. We will trim this unwanted elements. Then let me delete this relation also like this. Now just I'll try to move this. Freely it is moving because tangency relations are missing here. At this point we need tangency. Again at this point also we need tangency. Same repeat here. At this point we need tangency. At this point also we need tangency. Again if we try to move, these are moving. Now dimension between this curvature to this curvature and this curvature we need here equal dimension. Make it equal. Again if you try to move, inclination, this relation is missing. So this to this with reference to this we need here symmetric relation. Make it here symmetric relation. Then again if you try to move, these are freely able to move. Same here also we need inclination. We can give angle between line to line. Make it here 120 degrees with reference to the central line. So let's create one construction line from here to this. One more construction line from this to this. Then angle between this to this we need here 120 degrees. Then angle between this to this, here also we need 120 degrees. Then relation between this to this with reference to this, we need symmetric relation. Again, this to this with reference to this, we need here symmetric relation. Dimension between this to this, we need here 22 degrees, like this. Then exit sketch, make it isometric. We'll make this extrude boss. Total extrude boss height we are having here 22. Let's make it here extrude boss of 22 and let's say okay. So entire this block we will get. Later dress up features, these fillets are later we are going to apply. Now addition of material done. Then we will go here with removal of material with this curvature. So here with this inclined shape we need to remove material with rotation. So in that case directly we can go for sketch on either front plane or right plane. Whatever the shape we need to remove, just we will create this shape like this. Just I am going to draw that shape. Exactly from somewhere here, one vertical line, one inclined line, then up to here we will make it close. Now for the circular part, so diameter for this circle we are having 22. So dimension from central axis to this will be having 22 by 2. So this point to this we need here 22 by 2, 11. Then next to that, from this to this we are having height of 6 mm. So dimension from this point to this we are having here 6 mm downside. Then angle between central axis to this we are having 112 degrees. To make angle, let me create one vertical construction line with reference to origin point. Dimension between vertical line to this inclined line, we are having inclination of 112 degrees. Let's make it here exit sketch. Now we need to remove material with rotation. Directly we can go here with revolved cut. Then central axis is this. Let's say okay. Properly with that material will be removed like this. Now addition of material done, removal of material done. Then we'll go here with dress up features, nothing but fillets we are having here. All these three edges we are having radius of 22. So fillet we want for this edge, like the total three edges we want with radius of 22 and let's say okay. Then next we are having here same fillets here. This entire thing we are having radius of 1 mm. Fillet we want entirely for these edges. Along with that we need here also with radius of only 1 mm. And let's say okay. Now dress up features done. Then we'll go for at last holes. So here center hole we are having with a diameter of 16, depth up to last. We need one hole. Diameter we need here 16. Depth should be through all. Go for position. We need exactly at center point. We can make it with reference to origin. We have got here fully defined. Let's say okay. Then here counter bore holes are there. So total 3 counter bore holes are there. You can understand properly here. Total we need 3 holes with a diameter of 4.5 with a depth of through all. So this is dimension for normal hole, the small hole. Then counter bore diameter we are having 8 mm. Counter bore depth should be 4 mm from far side. It means usually counter bore depth they will give from top side, but we are having here inclined face. So from far side means 4 mm height for this counter bore should be taken from downside. It means if you are creating from this height of 22, by leaving 4 mm we need to make it counter bore. So we can make it here 22 minus 4. We can give counter bore depth of 18 with the diameter of 8. Let's create that counter bores now. We need one hole, legacy hole. That too we need here counter bore hole. Counter bore diameter we are varying here 8. Counterbore depth we are having here 22 minus 4 will make it 18. Then normal hole diameter we are having 4.5. Depth should be through all. Go for position from this face. Just we can make it one click anywhere like this. Make it normal. Then apply relation between that point to this any curvature. We need exactly at center point. Make it concentric. Let's say okay. Same hole total we need 3 in circular motion. We can go directly for circular pattern. With reference to this, total we need instances only 3. Let's make instances 3. Let's say okay. Now if I make it top view by using control plus 5, this is the shape we want, and a control plus 1 front view. And if we make cut section here like this, properly this counterbore shape we will get. So I hope you have understood this. So if you want to apply any color for this RS material, directly we can go here with edit material, apply whatever the material we want like this. So if you feel this video is informative, please share to your friends to whom it will be useful, and please like the video.